Hi, I hope everyone's having a great week. Today, I want to touch on kitchens, which is a lot of people's favorite conversation because they can be fun to update because you get to use it, it looks pretty, and you get to see the direct conversion and transformation of it right when it happens. So, kitchens. A lot of times, people will want to update their kitchens, but won't want to do a full kitchen remodel or a full gut of their kitchen. A lot of times people will be looking to sell in the next year to 2 years, or maybe even sooner than that. And they just want to know, what should I do to really dress it up, be able to enjoy it while I live here, but without going crazy because I'm just going to be selling in the next 1 to 2 years anyway. And I don't want to dump all that money into the kitchen if I can't enjoy it in the long run. And I don't even know if the buyers will want that kind of kitchen. Some of the best ways to dress up your kitchen without breaking the bank are: one, to do the countertops, which that can break the bank depending on what kind of countertops you want. But if you don't have to go crazy with new cabinets. Cabinets are oftentimes one of the most expensive purchases in a kitchen because depending on the amount of cabinets you have, that wood can get very expensive very quick. And a lot of times they're custom sizes. It can really rack up quickly. So I generally try to steer people away from getting new cabinets, because especially if they're looking to sell in the near future, that's not a easy remodel to do. You have to literally gut the whole thing. So if you can avoid new cabinets, that's usually the best scenario. If you can just dress up the cabinets you have, maybe reface them, maybe repaint them, put some new hardware on there, that is the best way to approach the cabinets. Like I said, clean them up. If you have to reface the front, do that. If you need to paint them, do that. Definitely put some new hardware on there a lot of times, and it'll make them look fresh and clean. And then if you do that and just add a new counter to it, depending on the kind of counter you have, that makes a huge difference. A countertop will dress up 90% of any cabinets that you see. So being able to add a new countertop, and again, you don't have to break the bank. We've seen some really fun alternatives to granite. For example, there's different concrete countertops that people have gone with that look especially farmhouse rustic, very classy. There's granite tiles that you can get to use tiles instead of a granite slab, which is more expensive because it's a custom size and it has to be custom cut. So dressing it up with that makes a big difference. If you could add a backsplash that really complements the rest of your house, that, although labor-wise isn't as much fun, is a very cost-effective upgrade to make. And if you have in your kitchen, if you have older appliances, if you just get some used uniform stainless steel appliances and stick them in there, that will dress it up too. And again, they don't have to be brand new or all matching in the way of the brand and the line. They can just, as long as they are uniform in their color. For example, if you go stainless steel, which I generally recommend if you're going to sell, just get stainless steel and replace them with whatever old appliances you have. Those are the best, most cost-effective upgrades you can make, and they're going to get you the most money when you go to sell. Because when somebody comes in, the things in the kitchen that they notice when it comes to upgrades are countertops, backsplash, and backsplash is really just a way of making the kitchen look unique. So that makes a big difference. And the appliances. And again, you don't have to go crazy with buying the high-end appliance package. Just get the same looking color appliances. Make sure they go well together, and you can get them used. So I hope that helps. If you have any questions about your kitchen upgrades or remodeling, or what you should be putting money into and what you shouldn't be, or maybe just some really creative ways and alternatives to update your kitchen, please feel free to reach out. We'd love to help.